me, Christina, and welcome to another burping contest. That's why she's the judge and not a contestant.
Squirt episode.
Sorry.
I'm gonna give you a 7. And
okay, all right, thank you.
7 for the pussy party. Finger bang. You just won a free finger bang. Unfortunately, we're in COVID, so you're gonna have to do it to yourself. But if I was there, I would totally.
Felt like if that burp was a penis, I would say it had a lot of girth. In different ways. Oh yeah.
Round 3 is the animal act out. So.
So I'm gonna be a fish.
Like this.
She does look like Dory now.
But I'm going to swallow water like fish swallow water.
Yes. This is good.
I mean, it's like I was right there with you in the ocean.
Meow.
Now, this is when you're supposed to eat something. So we got to do the bell. That means it's time for you guys to eat. It's like Pavlov's dog. Eat, eat. Do piggies. Eat, eat, piggies, eat.
I love piggy.
Whoa, you're so
Sneaky one from the judge. Nope. No.
okay. So, like I said, dill pickle, crinkle cut chips. I like dill pickle.
But no, it's not an American thing then.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't know.
I like weird. Oh, that's a good one. I like weird flavored chips.
I do too.
Sometimes I get shy and I have to close my eyes when I burp. Like I'm the Mariah Carey of burping.
Just let it out. All that over.
I think I just had a child.